Hi everyone! In this video, I'll discuss how to use Hulu Live TV. Let's dive in. First, briefly, what is Hulu Live TV? Hulu Live TV combines traditional live TV channels with Hulu's on-demand streaming library. It offers access to more than 75 live channels, including sports, news, entertainment, and local broadcasts. How to sign up for Hulu Live TV? Visit Hulu website. Go to hulu.com/live-tv. Choose a plan. Select Hulu Plus Live TV package. Options include ad-supported or ad-free versions. Then you should create an account. You provide email, you create password, and enter payment information. You could be able to take advantage of free trial. They have typically 7-day free trial. Step number 3 is setting up Hulu Live TV. You should download the Hulu app, which is available on smart TVs, streaming devices, mobile phones, and tablets. Then you log in to your account using your email and password. After this, you can customize your profile by setting preferences, favorite channels, and categories. Step number 4. Navigating the interface. In Hulu Live TV interface, you will have a home screen which shows recommended shows, live channels, and recently watched content. You also have Live Guide, which gives you an access to the live TV schedule to see what's airing now and upcoming programs. You're also able to put on a grid view, which gives you a traditional TV guide format for browsing channels. The interface also has a search bar, which you can use to find specific channels, shows, or sports events. Step 5. Using DVR functionality. DVR functionality means you can record live programs and store them into the cloud. You'll have 50 hours of cloud DVR storage and you can upgrade it to 200 hours. You can click the record button at any live program to store it for later. To access the recordings, visit the My Stuff section to watch saved shows. Step 6. Watching live TV. To switch between live channels, navigate via the Live Guide or browse by category. You also have Live Pause/Playback feature, which allows you to pause live broadcasts and resume whenever needed. Picture quality. You can stream in up to 1080p with some content available in 4K. Step 7. Personalizing your Hulu experience. Multiple profiles. You can create up to 6 profiles per account, each with individual recommendations. Custom favorites. Add shows, movies, and channels to My Stuff for quicker access. Parental controls. You can set restrictions for family members with kids' profiles. Step 8. Additional features. Simultaneous streaming. Stream on 2 devices at the same time. Add-ons. Enhance your experience with premium channels like HBO, Showtime, or Starz. Mobile access. Watch live TV and on-demand shows on the go with the Hulu app. Step 9. Managing your subscription. Billing. Payments are handled monthly. Change your plan or billing information in the account settings. Cancel or pause subscription. You can pause or cancel your subscription without penalties at any time. Customer support. Contact Hulu support through chat, phone, or the help center for assistance. Conclusion. Why use Hulu Live TV? Hulu Live TV combines on-demand streaming with live TV convenience. It's quite affordable alternative to cable with customizable packages. It's great for sports enthusiasts, families, and those who want a blend of live content and streaming library. I hope this video helped you understand how to use Hulu Live TV. Thank you and see you in the next video.